I'm very happy to be a part of this. I'm really grateful to share this
हर्ष
screen.
अगर if you go on and on being like this ना मेरे को कुछ आता नहीं and all that, in protest I will leave the screen. Yeah, in protest
He's just too
अगर
kind.
एक
He's
बारी
just too kind.
तूने और बोला ना कि मेरे को कुछ आता नहीं है and all of that and तो मैं I will in protest I will leave. Okay.
हर्ष चेंज योर स्ट्रेटजी है, अभी तो अपना शर्ट निकाल ही दो बस.
That will work for sure.
Yeah, of course.
It'll be a long time.
Especially because that whole box office thing of collections has gone away. So that anxiety that I generally get before the release, which is purely because I've seen the film, so I know it's good or not good. The anxiety comes in because of the figures, that what numbers it will eventually come to, because that's your success parameter there.
It was an opportunity for me, to challenge myself as an actor, because I've not done something like this. As an actor, I've always wanted to, sort of venture into the so-called gray area. But maybe because of, general public perception, such scripts have never come my way.
Of the year, Haseen Dilruba joining in. I have with me Taapsee Pannu, Harsh Vardhan Rane, Vikrant Massey, and the director Vinil Matthew. Welcome everybody. Hello. How is everybody doing?
Hi. Thank you for having us here.
Well,
we are doing very well. We are doing better when we came to know that you saw the film twice.
Yeah, feeling even better.
Yeah, well, I think अभी फिल्म को रिलीज होने में थोड़ा सा समय है, so this is just what I felt and I could tell you. But are you guys nervous? Are you guys excited? What does it feel like? Just a few more days now and the film is finally going to be out. How does it feel?
I'm not nervous. I was little nervous when I was about to see the film for the first time because I don't even see monitors, so I don't know how the film looks. So that was the time I was a little nervous about how it's going to be. Once I saw the film, after that I've not been nervous. Now it's like I know, and especially because that whole box office thing of collections has gone away. So that anxiety that I generally get before the release, which is purely because I've seen the film, so I know it's good or not good. The anxiety comes in because of the figures, that what numbers it will eventually come to, because that's your success parameter there. That has gone away, so now I'm like totally relaxed.
So no Friday jitters then?
No, not really. Not jitters. Now it will be like, I'll be excited to look forward to, but not nervous or anxious.
Okay, what about everybody else? Harsh, Vikrant, Vinil, what about you?
Vikrant?
Yeah, I think in my case it's the same. I do, unless and until like jab tak film nahi dekhta hu, I do have jitters within me. But once I've seen the film, especially in our case, when I saw the film, I was very happy with it and very proud of it, most importantly.
Yeah.
And ab to ban gayi hai film. Now it's ready. It's out there for you guys to see it. And yeah, I'm very proud of the film. I just can't wait for the film to be out and for the audiences to watch it.
How nice. Vinil, I think you're on mute. If you can unmute yourself and you were saying something, I believe. Yes.
So I would be lying if I say that I'm not anxious. Of course I am, because we spent so much time on this film. We also had the lockdown, and the whole COVID thing actually happened during the middle of the whole process. So there was a lot of uncertainties in between, and I think there is a sense of relief that it's finally coming to an end. In that sense, there is no more hanging by the thread to ab kya hoga. So that is one sense of relief is there.
Well, just a few more days now. Harsh, what about you? You seem to already celebrating the success by being out. I think Taapsee also had an amazing vacation. Now I think अब आपकी बारी है. What's happening?
जिटर्स होने के लिए, नर्वसनेस होने के लिए मुझे लगता है बहुत सारा टैलेंट होना जरूरी है, तो इसलिए मुझे जिटर्स वगैरह नहीं होते हैं. मुझे जितना मेरे को आता है उतना उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि शूट के दिन मैं कर दूं. तो बाकी मुझे उसके बाद ऐसी कोई उम्मीद नहीं होती है, एडिट देखते टाइम कि यार मैं बेटर कर सकता था, क्योंकि मुझे पता उस दिन मैं पूरे फोकस में था। तो लिमिटेड जो परफॉर्मर्स होते हैं वो लोग नर्वस नहीं होते, तो मैं नर्वस नहीं हूँ।
You're just being too modest all the time. That's not true.
I agree with you.
That's
So I'm very happy to be a part of this. I'm really grateful to share this.
Harsh, अगर if you go on and on being like this, ना मेरे को कुछ आता नहीं and all that, you know, in protest I will leave the screen.
Actually left. Is
Yeah,
that
in protest
He's just too
अगर
kind.
एक
He's
बारी
just too kind.
तूने और बोला ना कि मेरे को कुछ आता नहीं है and all of that and तो मैं I will in protest I will leave. Okay.
and he's saying this to people who've seen the film and who've seen how good he is.
Exactly.
Imagine.
Imagine. I don't buy it. I'm sorry, Harsh. This is one thing that I don't buy.
Harsh, change your strategy. अभी तो अपना शॉट निकाल ही दो बस.
That will work for sure.
Yeah, of course.
It'll be a long time.
वो साइंस प्रोजेक्ट वाला स्कूल का दिन याद है जब हम लोग एक साइंस का वॉल्केनो या कुछ ऐसा बनाते थे, इलेक्ट्रिक या कुछ ऐसा, जब सारे लोग कोलैबोरेट करते थे दूसरे सेक्शंस के और दूसरे क्लास के लोग, तो ना वो याद आता है इन दोनों के साथ ना, तापसी और विक्रांत के साथ, कि वो वाला टाइम चल रहा है, साइंस प्रोजेक्ट है, बहुत सीरियस स्टफ हो रहा है और यू हैव टू बी एट योर बेस्ट। और आपको लिया गया है एक दो चीजों की वजह से। मेरी ड्राइंग और क्राफ्टमैनशिप थोड़ी ठीक थी और नॉलेज सारा उनका था, केमिकल सारे वो यूज करते थे और मुझे उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था। तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट टू स्टैंड विद दीज टॉपर्स, मतलब 97, 98, मतलब पीईटी पीएमटी में वो लोग पक्का सेलेक्ट होने वाले हैं और कोचिंग क्लासेस में टॉप पे हैं। ये दोनों मेरे लिए वो फिगर है एंड आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड टू नो कि मुझे इनके साथ मिलने का काम करने। और थैंक्स टू आनंद एल राय सर, विनिल सर एंड कनिका मैम फॉर कंसिडरिंग मी। मुझे बहुत मजा आया। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस।
Listen, I agree with some part of it, and then there's some part that I don't agree with. So,
Yeah, don't. ये इसका खत्म ही नहीं होगा वरना ये तो अंडरग्राउंड जा रहा है अब। मतलब it's not grounded, he's underground.
yeah, no, that's not allowed. Sorry, I'm not buying that. I'm really sorry. As much as I love you and I love your acting, but this is one thing that I'm not gonna buy. Okay, so speaking of Haseen Dilruba now, if you could briefly tell me what was it about the film that that intrigued you and you thought that you would want to be a part of it?
Me?
Yeah, Harsh, let's start with you.
Uh,
I was blown away by Kanika ma'am's narration.
Yeah.
And
Kanika has a special talent of narration. मतलब पिक्चर की स्क्रिप्ट जैसे मर्जी हो, जो उसका नरेशन स्टाइल है ना, वो आधा बंदा वहीं सोल्ड हो जाता है।
So Taapsee is right because she has this, but it came across even after the film translated, even after the edit. So I was right about feeling excited at narration level. But apart from that, the way she's written it in a little थोड़ा grey zone रखा है तीनों के लिए, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था। यूजुअली क्या होता है, एक बंदा बहुत पॉजिटिव होता है, एक बंदा बहुत नेगेटिव होता है और एक बंदा थोड़ा सा बीच में। यहाँ पे तीनों को एक बड़ा एक ग्रे सा जोन दिया है। मतलब इट पुट्स यू इन अ थॉट आफ्टर वॉचिंग द फिल्म, यार कौन सही था, मतलब अरे ये भी तो ठीक था, अरे ये भी ठीक था, अरे ये भी ठीक थी। तो वो मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, बहुत नया लगा। अब पता नहीं लोगों को देखने के बाद वो लोग बेटर पोजीशन में होंगे, बट आई फेल्ट दैट
the kind of trajectory my character has in the film. You've seen the film, so I can share this with you. It was an opportunity for me, to challenge myself as an actor because I've not done something like this. As an actor, I've always wanted to, sort of venture into the so-called gray area, but maybe because of general public perception, such scripts had never come my way. So here was an opportunity, where all the pillars were really strong enough to build something really substantial on. You had the director, you had the writer, you had the producers also, Anand Rai, and P-Series and all these guys have been so accommodating. They gave us that space to create something that, in short, they really backed us. So I think a lot of things fell at the right place at the right time. So there was no reason for me to not be a part of it.
Taapsee has been saying that when all the options were exhausted and everybody came to her for this film,
I'm not lying.
What were your reasons for, still choosing to be a part of this one then?
All I knew about it when I first reached out to Kanika to tell her that please narrate me the script, because we had worked together on Marzian, so I knew her well. So I told her that I know there's a romantic thriller that you have written, and I find that very interesting genre, romantic thriller. So I said, I want to do it. So please narrate it to me. And that genre was my selling point to begin with. And then, of course, after they eventually came to me and I heard the script, I said yes, then and there, like how I generally do with my scripts. I say in an immediate yes or a no the moment I hear the script narration. I don't like go back and mull over it or something. So, for me, the biggest bait was the fact that it's a romantic thriller.
Interesting. Okay. Vinil, you previously directed Hasi To Fasi, if I'm not wrong. And that was a very different kind of a setup, you know, in comparison to Hussein Dilruba. What was it like directing this one?
No. So I was specifically looking for material which would be different from my first film, you know, because one has exhausted that kind of filmmaking and, you know, we wanted to move on to something else. Having said that, I think the initial 30-40 minutes of the film still has a lot of flavor, which is very similar to Hasi. You know, there's a lot of humor, there's a lot of emotion. Primarily, I like to have stories which have a lot of human dynamics, relationship dynamics, and that's something which really fascinates me. And I think you can keep exploring and find something new there. So I think whichever story has a human element in it, a core of human, there's a human relationship involved, I am kind of drawn towards it. And I think in Haseen, there was a lot of interesting dynamics between three characters, and one was also working with characters who were very immensely grey, and then the challenge to make them likable, at the same time. So I think that was a great challenge. In terms of cinematic form, there was a great opportunity for me to try something which is, entertaining yet dark, real yet pulpy. So there are a lot of these, and also you're mixing a lot of genres together. It's like you're mixing thriller, you're mixing love story, you have humor. So all that I think was, there was a lot of, it was a juicy kind of project to work on, and I would, and I'm extremely was happy with, with the journey of it. And the first take, she dropped her pallu. I think, in spite of all the rehearsals, Vikrant's expression was a priceless one. He was just and he panicked. He didn't know what to do. So he was like, I'm not looking there, and he just ran away. And both of us were so embarrassed. Like, I could not look at
because I was not in the frame in that shot. It was Vikrant's shot. Vikrant probably expected I will just mime it. I will not do it all the way through. I did it. So Vikrant was like,
Vikrant went and banged into the door. But that is a shot I used in the film also, because he was like he and it was not part of rehearsals, but it was a genuine reaction. It was a priceless one, and he was. उसके कट बोलने के बाद भी ना he's breathing heavily and he's like, gasping. Why did she do this?